While digital industrial inspection aims at improving production quality, being able to document the results generated during the inspection workflow and maintain a proper traceability of these results is of utmost importance. Avizo Software for Industrial Inspection provides reporting and traceability mechanisms. The generation of these reports can even be automated through the recipe functionality. Reports can include 3D visualization snapshots of the generated results, as well as spreadsheets containing the results of the different analyses. Each result generated through the inspection workflow contains a history log describing the different steps leading to this particular result.